Okay, good morning to everyone. Today I am going to explain how to draw the projection of straight line when it is the projection of front view and top view will get straight line. Okay, when we will get the projection of straight line, front view and top view is straight line, that means the angle, that is the inclination, the angle between the true length of a line AB, that is with respect to HP and VP, is 90 degrees. That means theta and phi is equals to 90 degrees. At that time, the projection of front view and top view is in a same line. That means A dash, B dash and AB, A and B are in same line. Okay. First go through the problem. Here the problem given that a line AB of 70 mm long has its end A 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Okay. The line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 60 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. Okay. First, draw the XY line. First, draw the XY line. Next, take any point on this. First, draw the 20 mm above HP line. Identify 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. 15 mm in front of VP. Okay. These are the points. It is A dash and this one is A. Now we identified front view and top view of a start point of line AB. Next, we need to identify the end point of lines AB. For that, first we need to draw one horizontal line parallel to XY. It is known as locus of A dash. Next, similarly, draw one horizontal line parallel to the XY through point A. It is known as locus of A. Next, draw 15 mm 20 mm completed. Next, the line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 60 degrees to VP. So that from point A, HP 30 degrees to HP means we need to mark 30 degrees inclined line from A dash. Okay, from point A we need to identify 130 degrees line. Need to draw 130 degrees line. Okay, it is the 30 degrees line. On this line we need to measure the length AB is 70 mm. The length AB is 70 mm. Okay, it is the 70 mm line. This point is B1 dash. B1 dash. Next, from B1 dash we need to draw one vertical projection. Vertical projection up to locus of A. Got one point. That point is known as B1. Okay. Next, we need to draw one horizontal line at point B1 dash parallel to XY. This one is known as locus of front view. Okay. Next, similarly, we need to draw 60 degrees line from point A. On this 60 degrees inclined line, we need to measure mark on at 70 degrees length, 70 mm length. Okay, this point is known as B2. From B2, draw one perpendicular line, vertical line perpendicular to the XY up to locus of A dash. This point is known as B2 dash. Okay. Next, from on B2 we need to draw one horizontal line perpendicular to the sorry, parallel to the xy. Parallel to the xy. It is known as locus of top view. Next, by using compass, A dash as center and A dash B2 dash as radius, draw one arc. It will meet the front view at one point. Actually, these two are in one point. It is exactly in this region. We got one intersection point. This point is known as B dash. Next, from A as center, A B1 as radius, draw arc up to locus of top view. Locus of top view, we got one point. That point is known as B. Okay, now we got all the points. It is the top view, and this one is front view. Okay, here A dash as center, A B2 dash as radius. Okay, like this we need to draw. It is the front view and it is the top view. Okay, next we need to give the dimensions. This one is 15 mm and this one is 20 mm, and length of the line is 70 mm. Okay, it is the 70 mm line. Next, this angle is 30 degrees. It is generated by theta. That is, theta is angle between true length of the line and xy. Similarly, this angle is 60 degrees. It equals to phi. It is the inclination between xy and true length of a line. Okay, like this we need to draw the projections. When the angle theta and phi is equals to 90 degrees, at that time the front view and top view will get 90 degrees. That means perpendicular to both the planes. That is, A dash, B dash and AB are in same projection line. Okay, here from A dash as center, B2 dash as center, we need to draw arc anti-clockwise, here clockwise. And this in above the xy line is VP and below the xy line is HP, because it is in first quadrant. Okay, thanks for watching.